Well, kindergartners, we're gonna make some pumpkins today, and we talked about the differences between working from imagination, things that are not real, and making things that are real from observation. So that's what we're doing today. We're gonna make a realistic pumpkin. It's gonna take us today and next time, so please don't rush. We're first gonna need our pencil, and I'm gonna make a really big oval on here. I am drawing it kind of lightly in case I need to erase, but I'm making it go all the way around the edges of my paper. Once you have your oval on here, you could decide if you do want to turn it to go the tall way and make your lines go this way and have a skinny pumpkin, or you can have it go this way, and I'm going to have it go this way to be a wide pumpkin. So I'm going to put a line that goes across the pumpkin. I wouldn't start right here. You want to start right on the edge, and I'm gonna have this one go across the pumpkin. You can see I'm making it go a little bit curved too. So would I stop my line right there? No way. I'm gonna make sure it gets all the way to the other side. Then I can do some that go on this side too, all the way from one side of the pumpkin to the other. The reason these are a little bit curved is it helps make the pumpkin look round. When you're done with this, I'll give you a clean marker and you can trace it. And sometimes I'll just draw part of the line and then I'll turn the paper a little bit. Draw part of the line, turn the paper a little bit. That makes it easy. For whatever reason, sometimes kids forget to trace this oval shape. So please make sure that you're tracing around it first. Then once you trace it, then you can trace these lines too. When this is all done, if I miss the line a little bit, which you can see that I did right there, it's not a big deal because I can just erase it. So I'm going to trace these carefully. It's not a race. Please be gentle to your marker. You can see I missed that one kind of a lot. So I'm going to end up just taking this. You can use the end of your pencil to just erase these. That's one reason I drew them lightly too, because it makes it easy to erase. Or if you happen to have a bigger eraser like this one, that would be fine as well. When you're done with this, there are a few colors that we're using. There are some that we're not using. One of the ways that we're going to do observation today is to pick mainly 4 colors. I want you thinking in your mind, I'm gonna be using red, orange, yellow, white. And I'll show you why that works good. So let's brush off any of that eraser. And once that's done, you can see my colors are right here. So I'm thinking in my mind, red, orange, yellow, white. Am I gonna put any blue on it today? No way. Am I gonna put any purple on it? Nope. Stick with these colors to help make it look like observation and make it look real. So I'm gonna start with my red and I'm gonna trace these lines. Look at how I'm coloring this way. I would not color this way across the lines. That would make it look pretty messy. So color with the line. My finger is way down at the bottom so I don't break it. And I'm pressing it on pretty hard. That's why I want my finger down at the end. So I do this one, and I do my red kind of around the edges. Then we'll switch to my orange, and I'm gonna go over top of the red. And I'm gonna color in a little bit closer to the middle. Then we'll use yellow. Even though you're not gonna be able to see it that much on the paper, the reason I want that mix on there is so that I can put my white on it, and the white is what's gonna help make it look a little bit shinier and will help it make it look round, okay? Then when I'm done with that one, then I do the next line. So I outline this one pretty hard, go around those edges. Make sure you're coloring with the lines, not across them. Then we'll go in a little bit more Then we'll switch to orange, pressing that on hard and mixing it into my red. Then my yellow. I can't really see that one, but it's good that it's there because then it'll go good with my white. The white won't work unless you press it on hard. Use some muscles and hold it down low so it doesn't break it. And you just continue that idea until you have this whole side done. So I'm not gonna color the rest today because we're gonna work on these pumpkins next time too. You'll have time to color more of it than this, but in order to give you guys more work time, I'm gonna stop mine after this one is done. So I've got my red, my orange, my yellow will go on top of that, and then we'll put on my white. So let's use our eyes to make it look real, make these pumpkins look like observation. Let's have fun.